Hello, hello everyone, and welcome. Welcome back to Crypto Girl channel. How are you today, people? Are you ready for another interesting technical analysis? If you are ready, let's jump into today's video and see what we have. In this video, I want to discuss the bearish scenario here for Quant. So all of that and more. So make sure that you watch this entire video before we start. As always, like this video. So we are on a daily time frame. Each candlestick on this chart represents one day. And for the new subscribers, just a very quick recap here. At the moment, we are assuming that the bear market low for Quant was in here on the 13 June 2022 when Quant was trading at $40. Since then, it looks like Quant moved to the upside in a 5-wave impulse. As you can see here, this altogether was part of a larger Elliott Wave 1. And the top was reached on the 17 October 2022 at $227. Since then, it looks like Quant moved to the downside in a so-called Elliott Wave 2 correction, which is potentially still ongoing. We are discussing that later. And after this Wave 2, we will move up in a Wave 3 towards the upside for Quant. As long as we are holding support in this green support box on the chart. What if we lose support in this box? Well then, I'm going to talk about a bearish scenario. But at the moment, we are assuming that we are in this bullish wave count towards the upside for Quant. So let's zoom in a little bit to the local time frames here, and you can clearly see that at the moment, it looks like Quant is trading in a bearish flag. And if I enable the line chart here, you can clearly see that these lines are very well respected by the Quant price. So definitely a valid pattern if you ask me. Also, if we take a look at the volume here, since we are in this bearish flag, the volume overall is decreasing while the price is slowly grinding towards the upside, which is overall a very bearish sign and a sign of weakness. And it is most likely that this pattern will break to the downside. So I just want to make you guys aware of this very realistic possibility. I'm not saying it's going to happen definitely, but I'm just saying that you should definitely be prepared for a break to the downside because it's just very realistic. Once Quant breaks below, I would say $109. I can confirm to you guys that most likely we will see the breakdown towards areas around $78. As long as we are staying above $109, I think we still have a chance of a break towards the upside. If we break above, let's say, if we break above, let's say $133, that would be a major sign of strength. And then I think it is very likely that we will retest the area around $162, a break above $162. As you can see, this golden pocket here, the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. If we break above that zone here, then I can confirm to you that we are in this wave 3 to the upside for Quant. But as long as we are trading below this very important level, we still have to stay very cautious and we have to prepare ourselves for even lower prices for Quant. So what if we break down? Well, then we are deeper into this green support box here. And as I told you in my previous updates, anywhere in this green zone, it is a great place to DC into Quant. Yeah, if you are a believer in this project for the long term, or either if you just want to trade this third leg towards the upside anywhere in this green zone, it is a great place to dissect. Yeah. Of course not financial advice. Always do your own research. Let's take a look at the indicators here. So on the daily time frame, we can clearly see that the momentum is still under a sell signal, still bearish, and no sign of a reversal yet. So that's not looking too bullish. If we take a look at the RC on the daily time frame, currently we are sitting at 46, and this is the bearish territory. Only a break above, I would say. Let's say 54 on the daily RC would confirm an uptrend on the daily time frame for Quant, as long as we are below that level, and that would be 130. On the price, I have to assume that we are still bearish in the short term, and a breakdown out of this bear flag is very realistic. Let's also take a look at the 3 daily time frame because an interesting signal is flashing at the moment. So if we take a look at the indicators here on the 3 daily time frame, especially the momentum indicator here, we can see that we are under a sell signal again. A few days ago, we had a buy signal. I warned you guys about that we could see a lot of increase in prices. But just recently, it shifted over bearish again. So in the immediate short term, I think the price for Quant is due for a break towards the downside. But only a breakdown below $109 would confirm this break towards $78 $8. Let's also take a look at the 8-hourly time frame quickly. So on the 8-hourly time frame, the momentum at the moment is bullish. We are seeing a buy signal, which basically means, guys, that we can still move a little bit higher within this bear flag before potentially breaking down. So overall, my view in the immediate short term, I'm bearish on Quant. As long as we are below 162, I have to stay bearish. And I have to assume that this ABC correction within this wave through here is not over yet. So if I draw that out for you guys, this could be an A wave to the downside. This could be simply a B wave to the upside, and there will be another C leg to the downside. This is the overall most realistic scenario. Another scenario would be that we have already seen the ABC correction, which is a little bit unlikely in my opinion, and that this is already part of the beginning stages of this wave. 3, in my opinion, it's a bit unrealistic since the volume is decreasing while the price is increasing, but it is still possible that we will rarely higher from at this point, but just a little bit unlikely. So that's my view on Quant. I'll be back tomorrow with another daily update, of course. So make sure that you like this video. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Bye.